In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Dawn theme, how to remove quantity selector from product pages. By the end, your product pages will show a clean Add to Cart button without the quantity field, which is great if you sell one-at-a-time items, want a simpler checkout, or just prefer a minimal look. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, head to Online Store, then open Themes. On your current theme, click Customize to launch the theme editor. This is where we'll make the change without touching code. At the top of the editor, open the Page Selector. If it's showing the home page, switch it to Products, then choose Default Product. This loads a product in the preview, so you can see changes live. In the preview, scroll to the product details, or use the Skip to Product Information link if it appears. That jump takes you straight to the section that holds the form controls for title, price, variance, and the quantity selector. Now look to the left sidebar. Select the Product Information section to reveal its content blocks and settings. Depending on your Dawn version, you'll either see a dedicated quantity selector block or a setting labeled Show Quantity Selector. If it's a block, click it and either hide it using the eye icon or remove it entirely. If it's a setting, toggle it off. You'll see the quantity field disappear instantly in the preview. Click Save in the top right corner to commit the change. If the sidebar shows more than one reference to the quantity control, repeat the same hide or toggle action for each, then save again. Some layouts split controls into multiple blocks, so it's normal to confirm you've disabled all instances. Give the page a quick refresh in the preview to double-check that only the Add to Cart button remains. A couple of helpful notes. This adjustment hides the quantity selector on the product page UI. It doesn't prevent customers from changing quantities later in the cart. If you need to strictly limit purchases to a single unit, you'll want an app or custom logic to enforce that rule. Also, Dawn evolves over time, so wording may vary slightly. If you can't spot the option right away, select the Product Information section and use the search bar in the sidebar to look for quantity. When you're happy with the result, keep the change saved, and you're done. Your product pages now have a cleaner, more focused layout without the quantity field.